Once again, this is a continuation of our tutorial. Go back to summary. We are now in concrete. Now in concrete, you have all, after we input all the data, you have automatically all the data here. Okay, later I'll make it wider. Computing, you have all the concrete volumes, total volume, you have the sand, you have the gravel, you have the cement, how many bags. But it depends on the concrete mixture. Will have some options here. From M5, 75, this is on MPE. We need 20 MPE, 20 MPE, 30 MPE. If you need 30 MPE, of course, click it, and the strength will be stronger, will be bigger for the PSI and PSI. Of course, the cement will be more. If you need 25 MPE, to 2600 PSI. The sand will change, and gravel will change also. So mostly we're using a 20 MPE, so 20 MPE. So we have now the total volume, sand, total, gravel, and the cement. Okay, then let's go to the rebars. This is a summary generated from the rebar cutting list. Once you input there, whatever you input, this one we input the 10 mm, 12 mm. This is the total cutting weight, and the other sizes will be input the 6 meters, under 6 meters, and 75, and have 10.5. Now we have the cut waste. So mostly the contractors are using this commercial kilogram, because you will lose if you're using this. I observed that some of the rebar cutting list are using only the cut weight. If you're a contractor, you will be losing. So you should use the commercial weight, because this is the actual one going to buy, and you have already considered the cut waste in kilograms. So you should be aware of this. Okay. Next, go to masonry. From the inputs, when you click masonry button, automatic, you have all the details somewhere here. You have the cement, you have the sand, you have the rebars in kilograms, or you want rebars reinforcement in pieces, you have it, and of course you have the tie wire, the area you have, and you have the number of blocks. If this is a 6, you have the number of blocks for 6 inches blocks, you have the internal 4 inches, you have everything is here. Okay, next is the formworks. Automatically also formwork, you can see it here, no need to change anything here. This is the summary, the total of plywood pieces. You need these pieces, you need the frames, the wood frames in wood foot. If you want in pieces also, we have here 2x2 in pieces. If you want the different size 2x3, you have there in wood foot requirement. And if you want pieces, you have also the pieces requirements. Okay. Now let's go to bill of materials. No need to touch anything here. All your inputs will come to here. Automatically it will come here, and you have already a net cost, so it will calculate your whole project. You can hear your profit percentage, your contingencies. You can add here. It's very simple. You can just take the percentage. So no need. Reminder, no need to touch anything here, because this is already programmed. No need to touch. Then let's go to the summary. This is the cost of your project. Okay, the requirements, the strike works, structural, scaffoldings, masonry, roofing, upholsteries, doors, ceiling, miscellaneous, plumbing. That's here. Okay. So that's all. And good luck. That's all, and good luck, and hope you will enjoy my program. Just pay me if you need some assistance, if you have any queries. Thank you. Thank you for your time. We'll see you in this video.